Hey there, Striverz Money Crew. Tired of all those get-rich-quick schemes and scams flooding the internet? Looking for legitimate, honest ways to make money online? Well, today's your lucky day. We're sharing our top strategies for earning an income online, the honest way. So, if you're ready to start raking in some digital dough while keeping your integrity intact, stay tuned. Meet Dave, a hardworking guy in his 30s who's been searching for ways to make some extra cash online. He's tried everything from online surveys to those sketchy double your money schemes, only to end up with disappointment and wasted time. Sound familiar? But don't worry, folks. Unlike Dave's past experiences, we're about to reveal legit, honest ways to make money online so you can avoid those traps and start earning right away. Here's something you might not know. There's an estimated $2.3 trillion being spent on online sales worldwide. So it's no wonder people are looking to cash in on the digital gold rush. But with all those opportunities, how do you find the ones that are genuine and worth your time? No worries, Strivers, we've got your back. 1. Freelancing. Use your skills to offer services online. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are great places to start, connecting you with clients who need your expertise. 2. Blogging. Share your passion with the world by creating a blog. Monetize it with an affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, or by selling your products or services. 3. Online courses. Are you an expert in a particular field? Create an online course and sell it on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or your own website. 4. Etsy shop. Got a knack for crafting? Open an Etsy shop and sell your handmade items to a global audience. 5. YouTube. Create and upload engaging content on YouTube. Once you meet the platform's requirements, you can start earning ad revenue. 6. Stock trading. Educate yourself about the stock market and invest wisely. While it can be risky, the potential rewards are huge if you play your cards right. 7. Drop shipping. Start an e-commerce store without the hassle of inventory management. Choose a niche, find suppliers, and start selling products to customers all over the world. 8. Amazon FBA. Use Amazon's fulfillment service to sell products. They take care of storage, shipping, and customer service, so you can focus on growing your business. 9. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services from other companies and earn a commission for each sale that you generate. 10. Virtual assistant. Offer your administrative and organizational skills as a virtual assistant, helping entrepreneurs and small businesses manage their day-to-day tasks. Now that you've got these honest money-making ideas, it's time to put them into action. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes hard work, dedication, and consistency. And the best part? You're building an online income with integrity and helping others in the process. Now it's your time to take action, and check out the related links in the description. And make sure you watch our other videos on money making and achieving financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and keep striving.